first time Charter Act of 1813 said that the government of India, that is the company's government of India, should annually spend rupees 1 lakh in promoting education in India. This was a kind of DPSP direction. British government of India did not spend a single penny. कब तक नहीं खर्च किया? Next 10 years तक. तो आगे हम लोग कहाँ पे? 1823 में. In 1823, government had to think about education, so government constituted a body like UGC. That authority is called as Committee on Public Instruction. So Committee on Public Instruction had 10 members, and they started fighting later after 10 years. So 1823 is the authority, 10 year add कर लो, 1833 लड़ाई शुरू हो गई. किस बात पे? एक ग्रुप, one group is saying इंग्लिश में पढ़ाया जाए, another group is saying नहीं, local language में पढ़ाया जाए. And the representative of both the groups is written on the board, Charles Trevelyan, okay, advocate of English, and H.T. Princeway, advocate of what you can say, local language. So the debate could be said as what? Anglicist for English, Anglicist, Orientalist, controversy. कितना आसान है डिबेट को सेटल करना. अगर ऐसा होता, in case if it would had happened that 6 would have been on the one side, 4 on the other, or 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, whatever. But the problem is that 5 on both the sides. This time when the debate is taking place, the British government of India was itself headed by Lord William Bentinck. So Bentinck appointed his law member कि देखो इसको इस पे कुछ रिपोर्ट दो, क्या करा जाए. So Macaulay thought about it and suggested the report in February, and the report became officially accepted on precisely 7th March 1835. 7th March 1835, which was the official language for the last 500, 600, 700 years. Persian. 7th March 1835, Persian was replaced with English as the official language. And Macaulay's suggestion is favoring which language? English. Simple है. तो वो मैं बता रहा हूं कि क्यों फेवर किया. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूं, जिस इंग्लिश में चाहिएगा तो बताना, मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि मैकॉले बहुत ही हीन भावना से देखता था एशियन लैंग्वेजेस को. Macaulay looked towards Oriental languages as something inferior, not capable of Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, not capable of teaching mechanics, thermodynamics, मोटे पाइप से पानी पतले पाइप में जा रहा है, ठीक है, इज इट ओके, V इक्वल टू IR हिंदी में नहीं पढ़ाया जा सकता, ऐसा उसको लगता था. आर यू गेटिंग पॉइंट? सो ही सजेस्टेड इंग्लिश. और इस बात का प्रूफ मैं दे रहा था आपको कि ही मेड अ वेरी फेमस स्टेटमेंट, अ सिंगल शेल्फ ऑफ एनी गुड यूरोपियन लाइब्रेरी is worth than native literatures of India and Arabia. Statement लिखो ना लिखो doesn't matter, but feel तो कर पा रहे हो, his attitude, his mindset. हाँ नहीं. दूसरी बात, to addressing to all the people who are from Northeast, concentrate. Second thing, 1773 or 2, because dual government is ending. End of dual government meaning power plus responsibility. So now government is responsible, British government is responsible to administer the conquered regions. So 1773, roughly, even if you take 73 to 1833, how many years had elapsed? 70? नहीं, 60 साल हुए ना बीच में. So 60 years में, what do you think, administrative apparatus had expanded or not? So if administration would have expanded, company will need people to do the job, though not with laptop, but with paper and pen. So whom to recruit? The next question. Company had two options. Ask British national to join India, but a British national, what he would be expecting in terms of salary, Indians could be hired at a much lower rate or cheaper rate. Am I right? You are coming from, okay, Agartala or Manipur or Imphal, getting here 50,000. So you people might be thinking that it's better to be 35,000 but in Imphal only or Agartala only. But I am like this only. I will go back to my hometown, provided that if you give me some option. ठीक है, so that even I can get half of whatever I am earning here. A requirement of clerical class of people or requirement of administrative officials at the lowest rank. अब problem क्या है? That if there is requirement, meaning people had to be taught which language? English. So Macaulay said, we are not going to take up the responsibility of educating all the Indians because providing education itself is expensive. We will educate few Indians. We will educate few Indians. If these Indians wish, they could educate the rest of the Indians. We are not going to take up the responsibility of educating each and every Indian. We will educate few Indians. If these Indians wish, they could educate the rest of the Indians. So education will percolate down to the masses. Okay. So this is called as, Macaulay's suggestion is called as downward filtration theory or trickle down effect. We will not take up the responsibility of educating each and every Indian. We will educate few Indians. If these Indians wish, they could educate the rest of the Indians. So this way education will percolate down to the masses, and this is known as downward filtration, Filtration, downward filtration theory or trickle down effect. So Macaulay's suggestion is also called as, Macaulay's education policy is also called as trickle down effect or downward filtration theory.